This is Kingbolen YA200, and after testing several of these code readers, I must say that this one is definitely best code reader on budget. It is one of the cheapest code readers and cheapest OBD2 scanner you can find, but despite that, it not just supports all global OBD functions, we are also getting some few extra features. For example, battery test. It will measure condition of your battery. The car is turned off. If I would turn on the car now, I need to look if the voltage drops below 10 volts. If it does, the battery is either bad or needs to be recharged. It also comes with this DTC library, where you can look up not just the generic codes, but also specific code for each car manufacturer. When it comes to cheap code readers like this, you are able to read live data as text values, but what is great with this Kingbolen, you can also check them in graphs and also do data logging, so record the selected data and then playback. So if you are trying to diagnose some fault, you can record the data, go on the test drive and then playback those data once you stop the vehicle. It will only display you one live data as graph at once, but that is still better than most code readers in this price range, because for this price they usually don't display the graphs at all. So if you are looking to buy OBD scanner on really small budget, the Kingbolen will be perfect fit for you.